One detail that is important to us at Dovra is that the vehicle should be as quiet as possible when driving. That's why we have here, by the toilet door, rubber seals everywhere. So when you close the door, it becomes completely silent. Even here on the kitchen shelf, there are rubber mountings. We do everything we can to make the vehicle as absolutely quiet as possible. All the cabinets and everything else are stable, and everything we do is about securing everything as well as it can possibly be done. As always with the interior of a Dovra, we develop everything ourselves, which allows us to choose materials that we believe are important. For example, the frame of our overhead cabinets are made entirely of aluminium to achieve a weight saving. We also get a good center of gravity in the vehicle. The overhead cabinets are also designed in such a way that we direct the circulation from the heating up into the cabinet. So the cabinets are also heated, while at the same time we release the heat from the cabinet. That's also where we've integrated the lighting into the cabinet. Another thing we think is important is that we've added the magnetic function everywhere. So we can use magnetic products both inside and outside the cabinets. Everything from glasses to plates, a complete range, really. And this magnetic function, we use it throughout the motorhome under all the overhead cabinets. You can mount your glasses or containers anywhere, as long as they have a magnet in them. The advantage of working with magnetic products is that, for example, tall glasses can either hang or stand. That way, we're not dependent on the height of a shelf. We can have tall glasses hanging and tall glasses standing. We wouldn't have been able to do that. If we had had a shelf here, we wouldn't have been able to have different heights for different products. It also means that when we're driving, we eliminate rattling.